Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Tire care and replacement for American trucks. Maintaining your truck's tires is more than just routine upkeep. It's a safety guarantee, a way to save on fuel costs, and a strategy to extend their life. Tires on American trucks face unique challenges, hauling heavy loads, navigating diverse terrain, and enduring varied weather conditions. Knowing how to care for and replace your truck's tires is essential to keep things rolling smoothly. Proper tire care can prevent costly breakdowns, improve your vehicle's performance, and reduce the risk of accidents on the road. Let's take a deeper dive into what makes tires such a critical part of truck maintenance and how to keep them in optimal condition. Understanding the basics of truck tires. Truck tires are designed to handle tough demands and are critical to your vehicle's performance. Understanding the design, construction, and features of truck tires is essential in making informed decisions about their maintenance and replacement. Tires are not just rubber and air, they are carefully engineered systems made up of several components that work together to deliver optimal performance. Knowing what makes them different from other vehicle tires will help you spot issues before they become safety concerns. Key components of truck tires. Did you know that truck tires are engineered with several layers to boost strength and functionality? They're more than just rubber. Here's what makes them tick. The tread. The tread is the outermost part of the tire that comes in direct contact with the road. It's designed to provide traction, minimize wear, and enhance handling. Tread patterns vary depending on the type of tire, with deep, aggressive patterns providing better grip for off-road conditions and shallow patterns offering smoother rides on highways. The sidewall. This part of the tire protects the tire's sides and absorbs impact. It's often reinforced for added durability. The sidewall is crucial for ensuring the tire remains intact during sudden impacts or rough terrain, especially for trucks that frequently haul heavy loads or navigate harsh environments. The beads. Heavy-duty steel rings hold the tire firmly on the wheel. These ensure a secure seal, preventing air from escaping and keeping the tire in place. The bead plays an essential role in maintaining tire stability, especially under the high-pressure conditions that trucks often encounter. The belts and plies. Made of steel or fabric, these layers provide added strength and support. Steel-belted tires, for example, offer higher durability and resistance to wear and tear. The plies, typically made of polyester or steel, also help to distribute the weight and pressure more evenly, contributing to better load handling and performance. The build of a truck tire ensures it can manage the weight, speed, and wear that comes with heavy-duty driving. All these components work in harmony to provide stability, durability, and safety, even under the most challenging conditions. Types of truck tires and their uses. Not all truck tires are created equal. Depending on factors like driving conditions and vehicle type, you'll find tires specialized for particular uses. Selecting the right tire ensures you get the best performance, safety, and longevity from your truck. All-season tires. Ideal for daily use, offering decent performance in both wet and dry conditions. These tires are versatile and can handle mild winter conditions, but they are not as effective in extreme weather. If your truck is used primarily for light hauling on highways or in urban areas, all-season tires might be your best option. Winter tires. Designed with special grooves and softer rubber to handle snow, ice, and freezing temperatures. The rubber compounds in winter tires remain flexible even in cold weather, which helps maintain traction on slippery surfaces. If you live in regions where snow, ice, and sub-zero temperatures are common, switching to winter tires during the colder months is essential for safety. Off-road tires. Built for rugged terrain, mud, and gravel. Their aggressive tread provides better grip and durability, making them ideal for trucks that navigate uneven surfaces. These tires are perfect for off-road adventures, construction sites, or other applications where you need maximum traction and resilience. They are also designed to handle extreme conditions like dirt, rocks, and sand. All-terrain tires. A hybrid option, balancing off-road capability with on-road comfort. These tires offer more versatility and can handle light off-roading while still providing a smooth ride on highways. If you regularly switch between highway driving and off-roading, all-terrain tires can give you a good balance of performance and comfort. Choosing the right type of tire depends on how you use your truck. Daily commutes? Cross-country hauling? Off-roading adventures? Each requires a specific set of features. For example, truckers who haul freight in rural areas may need off-road or all-terrain tires, while long-haul drivers on highways would benefit from all-season tires. How truck tires differ from passenger vehicle tires. Truck tires aren't just oversized versions of passenger vehicle tires. They're built for entirely different purposes. Here are the main distinctions. Size and weight. Truck tires are larger and heavier to handle greater loads. They are designed to support the weight of a heavy vehicle, its cargo, and sometimes even multiple trailers. Passenger vehicle tires, on the other hand, are lighter and designed for everyday use on smoother roads with less weight-bearing capacity. Durability. Truck tires use tougher materials for enhanced longevity under pressure. Since trucks often haul large loads for long distances, their tires need to withstand more wear and tear. The construction materials and tread patterns are designed to resist the extreme forces that trucks experience during hauling. Load capacity. Truck tires are designed to carry significantly more weight than passenger vehicle tires. This means they often have a higher load rating and are constructed with reinforced sidewalls and tread for added strength. The load capacity of a tire is crucial for ensuring safe driving, especially when carrying heavy loads. Tread depth. Truck tires often have deeper treads for better traction and longer wear. Deep treads help truck tires grip the road better, especially when carrying heavy loads or driving through challenging weather conditions. Deeper treads also help to disperse water from the road, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. These differences make regular maintenance even more important since truck tires endure heavier demands. Keeping track of wear and replacing tires at the right time is essential to maintaining the safety and performance of your truck. That's it for part 1 on tire care. Keeping your tires in good condition is key for safety and performance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll talk about when to replace your tires and how to choose the best ones for your truck. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.